evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining us in this call at Money Momentum. Here, we are super excited to congratulate you all in joining this meeting to start off our journey with us in Money Momentum for learning the stock trading secrets. Yes, there are some hidden secrets which are always kept not revealed. Yeah, and here we are to open and reveal all those trading secrets to make you successful in this profession. There is an example of Australian gold rush where the secrets were never kept open for anyone. By the time everyone came to know about the gold rush, all the gold was exhausted. Now let's not make this happen. Our intention, our goal is to distribute the wealth among everybody in India. And did you know where all the wealth is going off? Where the wealth is draining? Yes, all the money is going to foreign multinational institutional investors. They are grabbing off all our money. Come,